All right. I think we're good.
We're
So,
good.
You want to introduce yourself? And
Gary Gisselman, working here at the Marathon County Historical Society and Library and General History. One of the more unusual things that I enjoy about this house is the history. The Yawkeys came here in 1900, built this big house. Well, it wasn't very long, 8 years, and then they decided, well, George Mayer, take a look at this house and see what you can do to improve it. Well, one of my favorite is the dining room and the buffet that Mr. George Mayer designed, along with the windows and all in the dining room. It seemed like maybe Mrs. Yawkey was feeling that, hey, we needed a larger space for entertaining our neighbors, and it just didn't seem like that tiny space was maybe enough. So as part of the reconstruction, there was a lot of other things that George Mayer did to this house, but the buffet and that extension of the dining room, I think, is one of the coolest things, because George Mayer blended that so very well into the original woods and all of the dining room. So it really is a spectacular buffet and a spectacular window display, all facing the east side of the house into the garden. So it really was one of my favorite spots, wondering indeed why they felt that they needed, just after a few years, to do a remodel. Maybe it was the fact that they were seeing competition from the neighbors. Other big houses were going up, and maybe they felt, well, maybe we should stay in competition. So they asked George Mayer, who would eventually design the house across the street, the Woodson House, but to come in. He had done a variety of other things, but that is one of my favorite things in this house. Thank you.